Hey guys, this is my 2024 Triumph Scrambler 400X, and I put a little over 600 miles on this thing, but you can see it has some rubber pads on each side for your knees, and they actually sell a pad that goes on the tank to kind of protect it as well. And you can see where I got a little bit of scuffing and a scratch right there. Nothing too crazy, but you know, it's pretty much brand new. And I'm also kind of a shorter rider, so I'm up pretty close to the tank. So it'd just be good to have that pad on there. So here's that pad. I just got it on Amazon. It didn't take too long to get it. Oh, that's cool. It comes with a little bit of surface prep by 3M. And also a lot of warnings and stuff. So first thing I want to do is just kind of give it a pre-clean. Just got some window cleaner, glass cleaner for vehicles, just to get like any dust and stuff off of there. A little microfiber towel. Also, you can find the installation instructions online. I believe you can just scan the QR code, but it doesn't actually come with them, but it's pretty easy to find online. I'll leave a link to where you can type in your part number, which is right here, and find the installation instructions. And for the Scrambler 400X, the pad needs to be installed 13 to 15 millimeters above the seat. And I just got a caliper, 14 millimeters. I have a piece of masking tape, which is pretty close. And we'll go ahead and just position this right about there. Then we'll take the 3M surface cleaner and give it a good thorough cleaning and let that dry. Once it's dry, we can go ahead and pull the red protective film off. And definitely take your time lining it up. Definitely don't rush this part. So you want it to be as center as possible. Once it's lined up, go ahead and smush it down. And remove the masking tape. And I think that looks pretty good. Should definitely help protect the finish on the tank, especially if you have like zippers or kind of a rough jacket. But anyways, guys, I have a lot more videos coming up on this. I'm going to be installing some crash bars and engine case guards soon. And I also got a tail tidy that I'm putting on next. So if you want to see more videos on the Triumph Scrambler 400X, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Peace out. Peace out.